Welcome yet again to Lex Motion. My name is Lekon. Today we'll be continuing with the fourth part of the animation series. In case you have not watched the other part, I advise you to go watch them so that you can understand the context by which we are animating. But for today, this is what we are going to be animating. Now we go back to our Figma file to import a particular element. I call it the check mark. What is it? Yes. So we're going to import this element and bring it in when the answer box leaves. So we can just send selection to AE also. So it's called check mark element, and we're just going to maybe just import comp itself. Is it check mark element? Just about here, we just bring it in. We'll place it here. Just close this. Just apply this. We could just make it like this. Yeah. Make it start from here. We'll hold it red also. We are going to apply positioner factor also to it. We will still scale it, but not now. Let's just get the positioner factor down. So we just push it. Sorry. Oh, I actually keyframe the position, the scale instead of the position. So we actually need the position alone for now. So I'll just pull it outside like this. Let me just mask it now so I don't forget. Let's take it up. Just format. So yep, bring this guy red also. At this point, so it comes in completely and leave. So we have to use the same velocity. It is in, and you notice in the last one I had to edit the speed graph. Something about here. We're going to do the same also for this. So we could just have, you see, it's the same movement. But then I want it to zoom in. So this is where our zoom comes. So you might start about yeah, but then I want the zoom to start in around here, and ease it in also. Maybe a little bit too fast. Yeah, let's pull it back a little bit. Yeah, I think I like that. Yeah, it works. So when this happens, so this pulls this, so like it's more like it's pushing it outside. Just give up. But then we're going to bounce it. So as it goes up like this, it comes back down to about yeah. You just ease it in. And just push it. Yes. What you can do though is maybe just make this guy 130. Make this guy 130. See, that's beautiful. That's just fantastic. So when it comes in, it goes away about here. Let me just make this mask also like this. So now I want this element to start the moment it starts bouncing. So inside this place, let me just paint this guy black. So at this point, yellow donut, this, yep. I may just take it to 389. Oh, 389. Or just check it out. So from 383 apparently. So it's going to be 0. Have you seen? That's beautiful. So when it comes in around here, I think the opacity is a little bit too fast. I might just bring it in around here and try to see. Yeah, this is much more sweeter. And also the outflows should start coming out from around here also. So the outflow I'll just scale. So about here. I'll just make these guys 0. Times 0. Let us make them start at yeah, this place. This could work. So outflow will start from here too. But then it's too much. So just take outflow back to about here. Yeah, this is better. Let's check it now. See that beautiful outflow? Well, we can actually still push. So about here, we just push it to be around here. And we can just ease it in. Yeah, very beautiful. Now, when this happens, at this point when it lands, I want this yellow diamond to rotate around around the circle. So what I'm going to do is that then this outflow that really serves as the rim of the yellow diamond will just be what we control the rotation. So we just parent it to this guy. Remove the. You actually just remove the stroke, and we just rotate it from here to about here. You see, it's perfectly moving on the radius. So we just check it out now. I see it going beautifully well. So yeah, at this point we actually could just parent the rest of. Oh, we could just parent all of them to stroke 3 and see how it works. Yeah, fantastic. Just beautiful. So, but then we could just push this guy to about here. So we have a much more sweeter rotation. So let's go back to our home screen and see what we have. Yeah, that's beautiful. I think the check mark position is a little bit too low, by the way. I'm just push it up a little bit like this. Yeah, that's just beautiful. That's just fantastically beautiful. Now we see all this leg room, guys. I'll just close it. So we just drag it. Mind the other stuff that are going out are the major mistake we made when we came in. Yes, very bad mistake. Whereby we didn't specify the length of the comp on AUX, so we are having this issue whereby we don't have a lot of leg room. But it's very easy to solve. Just go into their comps and just sort it out. So for these guys, I'm just going to increase their leg room. It works. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, by the way, our rotation stop, we need to make it continue. And what we can do is to go here and search for these rotations and pull them. This ring, let us see what happens. Our color wheel rotation has stopped too. Just pull it to this place. What we can do is just to increase the rotation so it's a little bit faster. I'm just gonna make it 3. Yep. For this guy, I'm just gonna make it minus, maybe say 2. That's too low. Minus 3. That might be too fast. Minus 170. By the way, it should be behind credit card. That's just beautiful. So if you go back to our home screen now, you can see it's working very fine. So we need to move to the next animation. So about this point, we will start the animation of the next screen. So to make that work, we are going to go back into our check mark, and this particular base, we're going to animate it, at least the color. So, oh yes, so probably like 517. Let's check. Yes. So about 517, we change it to white. We're also going to use the continuity principles also. So we change it to white. As it's changing to white, it will be scaling. So at this point, just apply scale too. So we just make it here and just scale it. So from here, it's just going to be scaling it about here. So it's just going to scale and fill the whole screen. Fit and fill the whole screen. So it's going to fill the screen in the other page. Have you seen? Yeah, I think it's enough at this point. So that's 6. I'm just gonna make so we don't have it too big. Yes. Although it's a little bit too slow, I might just bring it around here. Now just ease it in. About here, I'm just going to ease it. So, but then we need to make sure that these elements are not appearing again. So when it starts its color, we could just apply opacity, maybe from around here to the rest of the guys. From here to about here. So we just copy the opacity and paste it. The rest of the elements. So these guys, these guys, these guys, these guys. Just paste opacity on them. And also these guys too. Go back to the home screen. See? Click on. Now we have this top left overlay moving outside the outer box. So what we're going to do, we're just going to mask it the way we've masked the rest of the layers. So let me just look for it. See why color code is very nice. I already know it's a color red, so it's easy for me to just track it. I'm just going to copy this screen, which is our screen. I just take it up. So about here, and I'm just going to mask it. And fantastic, beautiful. Now when this occurs, we want to start the animation of the last screen, the final piece of the animation. And we just go back to our Figma design. So in the symbol page, there is a particular screen I call the stroke screen. So this will just form the last piece of animation to make the final loop to end the animation. So we just need to select it also and send it using our plugin called AUX. Before we send though, make sure that AUX, you see, set at 1 times second set as 13 in order for us to avoid re-editing the legends. So we can just send selection to AE. So now this will be final piece of our animation. And we're just going to color code it. Let's say brown. Yes. You need the lines first. We don't really need the illustrations first. So I'm just going to make them lose their, yes. To make that work, I will just need to post the home strokes comp itself. I'm not going to copy the layers to make it less complicated. I'm just going to carry the home strokes and bring it in around here and make it start around here. We go back into it here, select everybody, place it like this, make our comp start from here, then we just move to the left. We can just increase it again, then push it to about here. So at this point, when this comes out, we want this to start. So these strokes we animate in. For them to animate in, we just use trim parts. Simple stuff to do. Just go into vector, add trim parts. We start it out here and make it 5, 4. Let's zoom it in though. Make this guy 100. So it comes in like this. You just ease it in and edit the speed graph. Yep. Sweet. I'm just going to copy this string part to the rest of the part and stagger them. So about here with this place, I paste again. Not working. What's going on? Oh, yes. In case it does not work, you know how shape layers are if you're used to After Effects. You have to put it in line to work now. You have to make sure it is inside the group, or else it's not going to work. Yeah, so it works like that. So I'm just going to copy it. So I'll just replicate the effect on each of the trims. It's just simple. So yeah, I'm done replicating the trim part. So we have something like this, and if we go back to our home screen, see we have something beautiful. Like, let's go back here. See that beauty? Let me start from here. Beautiful, beautiful. But then about this place, you can just the moment it comes in, you start animating the views themselves. So we'll just take them one by one also. Let's go like this. Let's take the first one, which is this guy. So we animate the view for this guy, which is, I think he's low already, I guess. This guy, and this guy. So they are the ones that is stroke affects. The effect we're going to use to bring them out is what we call the linear swipe. Linear wipe. Pretty easy effect. Easy, but you have to be smart with it. We just apply the wipe angle. One wipe angle will be like this. We'll zoom in this lower again. It's too slow. So I'm just going to let me just hide these guys because I don't know them now. It's too slow. The moment it comes in about here, now I'll just put it together like this, then stagger them myself. At this point, we're going to be like this. When you come like this, have you seen the beauty? So you just trailing it, but then you'll be around like this. Easy thing. That's just beautiful. Basically, this is what we just copied. So the rest of these guys. And that's the idea. We just go to the next one again, which is this guy. And this is, I think this is output, this is animation. Well, it's a little bit down, but I think we can edit the vector. Let's go to part. That's why After Effects is very fantastic. You can just edit these parts here. Good. So we're just going to paste there. Okay. We just want to paste our linear white effect also on it, but then we need to change the angle. I don't want it to come from here. I want it to come from here. Around here, we just change it to be, yes, fantastic. And we could just push it to be around this place. See the beauty, huh? See the beauty. And with this, we're just going to replicate the effect on the rest of the screen. So for this guy, we just open up and this place, create him, go to this place, we copy the linear wipe. Look at that. Just look at it. Just look how beautiful that is. But then we make the stagger it to about here. That's beautiful, eh? Fantastic. So we just go to the next guy again. But I think is this guy. Okay, I think this guy is different. It's different. So we're not going to edit him now. We're just going to go to the next guy, which I know is this guy. Okay, it's actually this guy. Cool. So we go to him. And we apply our wipe also. We just need to drag this up a little bit so I can see. So I'm just bring it about here. Although I will need to animate the wipe angle, I want to come from here. As you see, it's coming from the top and coming. Now, something I forgot to do was to add feather. So I actually want them to feather, so I will just 52, yes. Although this one is a little bit too fast, it's because this bounding box is a little bit too slow. But then we are not going to let it delay or ruin our animation. Yeah, that's it. See that? Beautiful. When we go to upper left dark blue, we can trace this vector to be, I think is this guy. At this point, apply the wipe. Looking a bit weird though. Let's just make it to be, just stagger it around here. Yeah. See? I want the video that way around. I want the direction to be, yes. Yes, this is better. I think the last person is this guy. And the vector is this guy. Also spot. So they actually spotted the same vector. At this point, we could just bring him in also. and just paste it. We can make it start from around here. Yes, that's fantastic. Apply our feather to beautiful, 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 beautiful. So when this is done, we want to clean away the stroke so we don't see any strokes anymore. What we could do is to select all our vectors, apply a positioner, apply opacity to them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to stagger the opacity also. At this point, the opacity might just be at this point to let us zoom in again. So the moment it comes in about here, just going to make it 0. This guy and this guy, this guy, this guy. Yes, beautiful. So with this, we'll just copy and paste. Oops. Just copy and paste on the rest of the vectors. We're just going to stagger them also, just to make them synonymous to what we have. Fit up to 200. Fantabulous. Yeah, this looks nice. And with this, we come to the end of this part of the animation tutorial. The link to the next part will show on your screen anytime from now. But in case you need any help, let me know in the comments. I'll be waiting for you. But don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. I'll see you soon.